You wanna build a lesbian? Yes, I did. With your dad. It's screaming like your father.
Ano? Mom! That's so Mom, what do you have to say to people who says, your mother never gets out of the couch?
First of all, I'm retired. Second, I'm chilling. And third of all, there's a pandemic. Are you gay? No. Are you lesbian? No. Any of the alphabets? No. Okay, talk to me after Pride, July 4, 12 a.m.
Ma, maging totoo ka nga sa akin. Mahal ba talaga ako ng tatay ko?
Tangina, tanungin mo yung abo sa kwarto. Ako na magtatanong. The children I didn't swallow. I'm just dusting this old woman.